Hi, this is Professor Dr. Muhammad Imtiaz Subhan, founder of XploreOpen, a dedicated initiative to promote open science practices.
Hello, I'm Amber Usman, co-founder of XploreOpen and a passionate advocate for open science in Pakistan.
We are thankful to ORCID for selecting XploreOpen as a Cycle 5 awardee under the ORCID Global Participation Fund 2025. Our selected project, Building ORCID Community of Practices in Pakistan, itself says its importance that this project aims to establish ORCID Community of Practices in the region.
We are honored that XploreOpen has been selected for ORCID Global Participation Fund 2025 among so many inspiring initiatives from around the world. Our project, Building ORCID Community of Practice in Pakistan, focuses on empowering researchers in underdeserved regions. A heartfelt thank you to ORCID for believing in our vision and helping us elevate open research in Pakistan. Thank you.